started in 2007 by Sai Nirmala, founder of Tranquil Gardens.
Welcome to Tranquil Gardens. We help you to find your inner peace. She has undergone extensive training in hypnosis and energy psychology. She's a certified clinical hypnotherapist, past life regression therapist, certified Silva Ultramind ESP trainer from US.
Sai Nirmala is also certified NLP coach from NFNLP USA. She is also personally trained by renowned trainer Beryl Comer on groundbreaking EFT modalities, transactional analysis, and self-healing methods.
In our workshops, you will learn how your thoughts and beliefs have shaped your present life and how to discover your own power of manifesting the life that you want.
Discover your power to change your health, relationships, career, prosperity, and live the life of your dreams.
Attend this one-day workshop on EFT. This is a life-changing group workshop based on Emotional Freedom Technique by Gary Craig and the philosophy of Louis Hay, world-famous author of You Can Heal Your Life.
Place it in a deep state of relaxation that will grow deeper as we continue on your shoulders. Feel your clothing in contact with the spot of your body. Feel the skin and the vibration of the skin covering this part of your body.
Intuition and ESP can be learned in 2 days. All you have to do is attend Silva Ultramind ESP training with us to develop intuition and ESP.
What more? Enhance your creativity, learn mind reading, reach alpha mind level in few minutes. Give yourself the gift of life. Understand all about soul journey and its evolution. Understand how seeing your past lives can heal you and liberate you from karmic burdens.
Learn to break your old negative patterns. Attend our past life understanding and soul healing workshops.
De-stress yourself. Succeed with peace.
Sai Nirmala also conducts corporate training, stress release management, creativity and emotional intelligence workshops. Heal your life, heal your soul.
Sai Nirmala's service and workshops have been acclaimed by leading newspapers and articles have been published about her.
Hi, my name is Suhas. I'm a student. When I first heard the word meditation, I did not believe in it. But after attending this 2-day workshop on the Silva technique of meditation, I'm a true believer now. When we started off the meditation workshop, we learned how to relax ourselves, get to the meditation state faster and easily. At the end of the 2nd day of the workshop, I could get to the alpha state wherein you can get to the meditation state so easily, and I was amazed at what I could achieve myself. And we learned techniques like remote healing and projection, which have really helped me a lot through a lot of things. And I can just say that it's a mind-blowing experience, and it was really good. You know, everybody should learn it.
Hi, this is Bindu here. I'm a working woman having 1-year-old child. When I came to Tranquil Gardens, I was lot of stressed out and I was really frustrated. I am managing both office and home, everything. But when I met Dr. Sai Nirmala, she taught me a technique using within 10 seconds. I relieved out my stress and frustration. Now I feel very light. I'll be using this technique daily and it has improved my lifestyle and now I'm leading my happy life.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ನಾನು ಪಣೀಂದ್ರ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಒಂದು NGOನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನಗೆ 3 months ಬ್ಯಾಕು ನನಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಇದು ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ವಿಲ್ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಹೋದರೆ ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ನಾನು ಹಾಗೆ ಬಂದು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಾಯಿ ನಿರ್ಮಲ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ನನಗೆ ಆದಂಥ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ಗೆ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಏನು ರೀಸನ್ ಅಂತ ನನಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಅದನ್ನು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪು ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಆ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸೋಲ್ ಹೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಡಿಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಏನು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅದು ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೈಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಆವಾಗ ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ನನಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆಯಿತು, ಭಾಳ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಈಗ ಟೋಟಲಿ ನಾನು ಆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಈಗ ತುಂಬ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಾಯಿ ನಿರ್ಮಲ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಬಹಳ ಒಂದು ಧನ್ಯವಾದವನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
My name is Prasad Rao. I am aged 62 years. And see, at the age of 62 years, everybody will feel he should be healthy and happy. But quite unfortunately, when I had in my medical examination, I was told that I am suffering from a triple vessel disease, which means some of 3 arteries have been blocked. And I was suggested in bypass surgery. Suddenly, all the energy I had, it has gone down, and I becomes a life just like a person, a dead living person. At that stage, I had an opportunity of going through some of the books which suggested me these type of things. There could be a chance that the mental blockage could create a physical blockage also. And then if there is a mental blockage, probably no physician will help me. That was my firm belief. Then when I was browsing, I came across the Nirmala, whom now you call as Sai Nirmala. The very name itself felt that she could do something for me. When I met first, she was just given me assurance these type of things could be cleared by a regular hypnotherapy. Even you see, as skeptical, I have my own doubts whether this hypnotherapy will work, whether hypnotherapy will release a blockage, whether hypnotherapy will clean my arteries. This was going on for a long time, and you see, regularly I used to sit with Nirmala for 3 continuous months, and 2 months, in the second month itself, I started feeling there is a type of relaxation has come to me, and I used to feel there is something moving in my heart which is slowly going down and clearing itself. But now today, after the 3rd month's treatment, after the hypnotherapy past life regression, this has been, she was telling me that I have been healed. But you see, this has, because I basically doesn't believe in somebody telling to me unless I experience it. And you see, regularly I started checking myself. At every stage I started feeling that I have been healed. Today I am healed, and I feel Sai Nirmala will do this type of service to the so many people who are suffering with the heart problems today, and I feel a great success to her. And also I would request all the people who had by chance if had any heart problem, please contact Sai Nirmala and get rid of it and lead a very, very happy and healthy life.
You deserve